Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big like. Trying to get
Come
this
on.
video to 100 likes.
Right. Hey, we know y'all watching the videos. Hey, just give us a like. That's all we asking for is a thumbs up.
And this week's doing our weekly heat. Hey, just to let y'all know this video comes out every Sunday. So if you like to know what's coming out, the hottest Jordans that are coming out, stay tuned on Sundays. So this is a slow week. As you know, Jordans haven't been selling out. So I guess I decided they're only going to put out one shoe.
Hey, hey, bro. Those shoes been sitting, brother. Dope, bro.
Yeah.
They've been sitting.
I'm
So
surprised
now
that it's back to school time, so you think people be eating them up, but
you would think
I
that.
guess they don't like Jordan no more.
Uh, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that, my brother. I just feel like what they did was they flooded the market at the wrong
Mhm.
time. You know, they keeping up with what's going on over there. We ain't gonna mention no names, but they just flooded the market, and now they got Jay sitting, so it don't make sense. So it's just a slow week, which we understand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
So what
moving
we
on to our weekly heat. We got these Air Jordan 1 Low OG Stealth. These are set to release on August 16th with the retail price of $150. This colorway has been somewhat done before. It does feature that gray and white monotones. It does have a sail midsole, giving it that aged look. It does have a gray toe box, featuring that gray swoosh on the side, finishing off with that gray on the back. Features that gray at the bottom. This is a very clean shoe in my humble opinion. So let me know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these sneakerheads? As for me, I'm rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, my brother, we don't agree a lot, but on this one, hey, I'm rocking these as well. Like you
Yes,
mentioned, this
sir.
is a clean shoe. For some reason, bro, I'm digging these lows, man. I don't know. At one
Uh-oh.
time, you wouldn't catch me in the low, but they starting to grow on me. So this is a shoe that I surely be rocking. Hey, sneakerheads out there, hey, let us know if you're rocking or drop. But it's not all the time. We always agree. We both agree giving that shoe a thumbs up. I will be rocking those. Hey, and if you like content like this, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.